Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I have for you another hobby related item that I would like to unbox and share with you. So this will be probably one of the most cheapest airbrush options you can find on eBay. So like I mentioned probably in videos in the past, I do also paint miniatures, so Warhammer stuff, and so ships and plastic kits in general. But as far as me go, I do like to take my time and paint with a brush. But there are some projects that that I came across that you just can't do it with a brush, or it will take lots and lots of time, and the final product will not be as good as it should be or could be. So therefore, I did contemplate it for a long time to buy me maybe a nice quality brush with a compressor and so on. But before I do that, I want to try out the basic, the cheapest version, so just to learn, maybe make mistakes and not break a bank, because a nice compressor with a quality airbrush can cost you up around $300, and that was not the amount of money I wanted to spend right now. So like I always do, I did go to eBay and search for compressor kit, and I found this one. So this is the KKmoon gravity fed dual action airbrush air compressor kit, or W5G2. I don't know if there is something on the box, maybe this one. Made in China, of course, made in China. So nothing there, so there's an OEM plain box. Let's see, here the manual. So it will have a mini air compressor T100. If you are searching for this, you probably will find under different brand names. Use for Maxa airbrush only. Okay. 21 psi output per minute, 10 liters per minute. Yeah. So here are a few informations, size and so on, and the parts of the compressor. So if you want to take it down and maybe change something out, then you can definitely can do it with this. And here are some informations regarding, yeah, this is in German just because I bought it from a German reseller, so nice to have all the information you need. So okay, let's continue. So inside the box you will have the main unit. So this is the compressor, air hose. Then you have your moisture trap. This is definitely good to see, but I'm not expecting any kind of moisture to be developed with this small compressor. And the stand, also the holder for your airbrush. Inside this box is the adapter, and here is the airbrush kit. So if you are comparing prices, so let me tell you the price. So I did pay $38.99 was the price of the unit, so that is in euro. So let's say around $35, and $5.35 was the shipping. So you can translate it to under maybe 52 US dollars. you will get a really nice dual action airbrush. There's a manual, the key for detaching the nozzle, and also a small pipette. I have used this one, so it is a little bit dirty. So they will also give you a quick valve if you have a setup for maybe more brushes and one adapter. So definitely you will not need this part here if you are putting it into action. So the cup is not detachable. You have a nice dual action, so airflow and also paint. And this is what you are looking for in a starter brush. So this part is removable, so you can clean out, take out the needle. So definitely a really nice fit and finish. So I must say, right out of the box, this did function without any problems. I did spray and paint a few miniatures with it. Nothing fancy. I have done nothing fancy with it, just learning to use it. This will have a 0.3mm nozzle, so definitely good to work on smaller miniatures. On the adapter you have your power inlet, and then the air hose and your PSI regulator, but you will need to have it cranked down to the maximum to get the most PSI. And here's the actuator button, of course. I can demonstrate you the loudness if you are interested in buying this one. Definitely keep in mind that this will be on your table, so it will shake around a little bit. So definitely a really nice compact package if you just want to try out airbrushing. These are also good for maybe if you are into cooking of cakes and maybe spraying them with food grade colors on the top, then this is also good for that. Maybe if you just want to try out maybe painting on the paper, on a canvas, then you definitely you can try out this product. It will not break your bank. So far it did work okay. If I have any kind of problems with it, I will definitely annotate it in the description. If you like, you can also attach the moisture trap, so this will prevent any kind of fluids from the main compressor unit to be included into airflow. So you can attach it here. And then attach your hose here, but keep in mind that this thread here is plastic, so don't tighten it too much because you can strip it really easily, so keep that in mind. And if you want to put out any kind of moisture, then you can press the button, but it will be trapped inside this compartment here. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also hobby stuff like unboxings of books and miniature miniature sets and building kits. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.